How to sign up for RBC Rural Bank online banking. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Here in the search bar, search for rbcruralbank.com. It will land you on the official page of RBC Rural Bank. Once you are in here, tap on the sign in at the top right corner. You will be landing on this page. As you're looking forward on how to sign in, right here at the bottom, tap on Enroll in Online Banking. It will lead you to this page. Scroll down and right here it says who do you want to enroll today. Select as per your need. So let me tap on myself and then tap on Enroll Now. Well, now if you have your RBC Rural Bank client, tap on Yes. Now in this section, enter your client card number or credit card number and then enter the postal code. Once you are done, tap on Continue and then your account will be created successfully. But if you don't have your RBC Rural Bank client card or credit card, then tap on No. Here at the first, you need to enter your transit number and then enter your account number. Once you are done, enter your first name and the last name and then tap on Continue. Once it has been done, your account will be created successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your RBC Rural Bank online banking. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.